Back of the closet, cardboard edges worn, dust motes spinning, morning finds me here. One picture edges faded like laughter in spring. Younger faces, me and you just starting out. I can almost feel that porch those summer nights. Laughter echoing, the years just beginning. These boxes hold more than memories. One photo, 1,000 days. These boxes hold more than memories. Just a light tucked away. Little feet on hardwood, mornings full of light. A promise whispered, hands entwined, holding on. Sleepy arms, birthday cake on tiny cheeks. We press time between pages, stuck at 6.